Welcome to my study today and our second video on the present perfect tense. I'm going to look at how we make the affirmative, the question form and the negative, and also how we use this tense with the three adverbs just, already and yet. At the end of the video there is an exercise. So let's get started. The affirmative form of the tense gives us positive information, like this. Marcus has taken a photo. Now we would write it like that in the grammar book, but we don't say it like that. Marcus has taken a photo. Marcus has taken a photo. And that's why it's sometimes very difficult to hear when people are actually saying this tense that they are using the present perfect tense. Here's the complete form of the tense. I've taken, he, she, it has taken, he's taken, she's taken, it's taken, they have taken, or they've taken. The interrogative or question form of the tense reverses the subject and verb. I have I. So we could say, has Marcus taken a photo? Marcus is the subject of the sentence, the verb is has, and you notice we start with has and we ask, has Marcus taken a photo? Here is the full form of the tense. Have I taken? Has he, she, it taken? Have they taken? And now the negative form of the tense. I have not. Although when I speak I probably would say I haven't. Jack hasn't taken a photo. He must have made a mistake somewhere. That's very easy to do, isn't it? And here's the form of the tense written out. And again, we tend to use the abbreviated form here. It's more common in spoken English. I haven't taken, he, she, it hasn't taken, they haven't taken. Just means a few moments ago, and we use it a lot with the present perfect tense. You can see the bus, it has just arrived. Obviously that comes from a past action, and now in the present we can see the bus. So from the past until now we are using the present perfect tense. The children have just gone out. We can hear them. But if I said that, I would say, the children have just gone out. The children have just gone out. We make that contraction with this tense. I've just found a message in a bottle. I wonder what it says. Already means before you expected. For example, if your mother said, have you cleaned your room? You might say, I've done it already. In other words, you completed the task before she expected it. Imagine you're in a restaurant. The waiter comes and he asks you to pay the bill. But we've already paid the bill. In other words, before he expected. Or if you really wanted to stress this, and maybe if you got a bit angry, we have paid the bill already. The mail has already arrived. So in other words, it's here before I expected it. Notice the position of the adverb already. The mail has already arrived. It follows the verb to have. It can move, as I explained, when you are a bit angry and you say we've paid the bill already, but mostly it comes just after the verb to have. This man's got an elephant behind him. I haven't told him yet, until now, but I think you'll find out quite quickly. And here's the question form. Have you worn your new hat yet? Have you worn your new hat until now? And notice the reversal of the subject and the verb. And a common answer might be, no, not yet. No, not until now. Here is our exercise so you can practice the present perfect tense. You have to put in just, already and yet with the correct form of the tense. I've given you some of the tense forms to help you. The answers follow. I'll read through the answers so you can hear the spoken form. 1. The visitors have just arrived from London. 2. The team hasn't scored a goal yet. 3. I'm not hungry. I've already eaten, thanks. 4. The customers have already paid the bill. 5. Have you just had your hair cut at the barber's? 6. I haven't started writing my book yet. 7. Don't worry, I've already phoned Joshi. 8. I haven't put any sugar in your tea yet. 9. Have you already seen the doctor? 10. She hasn't worn her new coat yet. I've put a note about the phrase just now. It means a little time ago. And remember, we can't use ago with the present perfect, so we can't use this phrase with the present perfect. It's an adverbial of the past, and we use it with a verb in the past tense. Example, I saw Peter just now. He was playing his guitar. In other words, a little time ago. Next time we'll have a look at the third part of the present perfect tense, gone and been, ever and never. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe below. And I must say goodbye. Bye.